Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco SD50 S6. This is an SD50-S6. I had to look up the part number for a moment. This is a padlock hasp that is used on their stainless steel latch assemblies, the RPRS 7SS, I believe it is. We'll confirm that. First, let's take some dimensional properties. Overall length of the mounting point, the base about 2 7/8. Overall width, about 1 1/16 maybe. Overall height, looks like it's about 2 9/16. From the bottom to the center of the hole where your padlock might go through is 1 7/8. Center to center of these screw holes looks like it's about 2 1/16. Okay, weighs about 0.26 pounds. And is, again, made of stainless steel. Why would you want this item made of stainless steel? Well, it's very typical and common when you have a roof hatch that is, or a floor vault door, any application where you have a non-ferrous construction to the unit. You're going to have aluminum components and you're going to have stainless steel components. You'll have other components that are heavily coated so that they are exhibiting the properties of a non-ferrous piece of material. So that's what this item is for. Why are you looking at this item? Let's take a closer look at why you might be doing so now. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Now, it is definitely unusual to need to buy the padlock hasp alone, but not so unusual that we don't stock them. We definitely stock these. They are a component to the greater assembly. I've had clients call and say, yeah, you know, I would really like to be able to padlock my unit from the inside. I can padlock it from the outside, and that's great, but I'm afraid of someone cutting that padlock off and they can get right in. And I say, well, you can do that if you have a typical unit, typical roof hatch unit. What do you describe to me what you have. Well, they've got the latch handle and they've got the body and the latch sticks out and it's bolted down and the exterior handle goes through the unit, and they stop short of describing the padlock hasp, because what happens is in that entire assembly you'll have a staple that will be mounted to the side wall of the unit so that when the lid closes, that staple and this padlock hasp line up so you can padlock that. So I've had people call and say, I don't have one of those. So in order to mount it, you remove 2 of the bolts from the body, stack that right on top of it, and then run the hex bolts right back into it, is what it is. Let's switch to the screen view now and let's take a closer look at some of the supporting information. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Now, here is the padlock staple that we are looking at, except that this is the zinc version. We're looking at the same item, just made of stainless steel. The stainless version is not live in the site, but by the time you're seeing this video, it most definitely will be live. This is to help simply illustrate where this unit is used. You can see how it works in conjunction with the lock body. Here are some images of what it would look like. Let's skip over those because I have images of the actual item. Padlock hasp allows for provisioning of adding a padlock to a roof hatch installation to secure the unit from the inside, requiring the potential for a key to exit, which means if you have it padlocked, you're going to need special knowledge or possession of a key to get out. Installation instructions here ought to better illustrate what it will ultimately look like, and this line art drawing does so. Shows you basically both views. So when you get that installed and you lower the lid, that staple is going to line up, and I had mentioned that earlier. I'm going to show you what it looks like here. That's what the staple looks like. You'll have one of those on the side wall of your unit. There's the strike and the staple go on the side wall, and those components, and they're not really shown correctly, but they'll line up, and that will allow you to get everything locked together on the inside. Now the outside can be padlocked from here to here. That's the exterior handle. Okay. Many of these pieces are available. The strike, the sidewall, the staple, I call it, the padlock hasp. The exterior handle and spindle assembly, the interior handle, the body, the bolts, all that's pretty available as standalone products. So that's the other component that you're locking against. Images that I had mentioned, here it is. Just showing you different perspectives of what this looks like, just to give you a visual review. The stainless steel parts are absolutely more expensive than the zinc coated material. Very occasionally I have people who say, wow, that is 3 times the cost. I don't actually need that. That application would be someone who owns a home and it was built with a stainless aluminum unit, and moving forward they don't want to spend $250 for a lock body on their roof hatch. They'll go with the less expensive one. I get that. But the majority of our customers would be municipalities, businesses who have a vault door it's non-ferrous, water reclamation plants, water treatment plants, housing authorities, people who are utilities, people that need the original equipment to go back on naturally. So you would order the proper equipment. Now there's a link below this video as seen here to the manufacturer's page, from which you can pull up not only all of the Bilco products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation, but also a link to the manufacturer's product catalog and their website. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. In conclusion, if you have any questions on the Bilco SD50 S6 stainless steel padlock hasp or any other Bilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.